Yo guys, I'm sorry this video is a little late, but here's the trade recap from Friday. Alright, we have London high right here. We have London low right here. As you can see, 7 o'clock. Instantly, we tapped into it at 7 o'clock. Got a rejection. I entered. Stop right here on the high. Targeted 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Boom, I got stopped out. That was my strategy. I don't care that I got stopped out. It was a win in my book because I followed my strategy. Then, right here I re-entered because we got another push out of it and targeted 1 to 2 and did the same thing. Also got stopped out on this trade. So yeah, now I'm only taking 1 trade per day, regardless of if it's a win or a loss. So yeah, I followed my plan though, so that's all that matters. Peace.